When I see a grill that looks like this after a few uses, I already know that it's going to take way more effort than I want to spend cleaning it. So we tried this electric grill brush, and the difference was noticeable right away. What stood out first is that it does most of the work for you. Instead of having to scrub hard by hand, the motorized brush heads do the cleaning with much less effort. It has 2 speeds, 600 RPM for regular cleaning, and 800 RPM for tougher, stuck-on buildup, so you can adjust it depending on how dirty the grill is. We used the higher setting on this one, and it powered through the stuck-on residue a lot faster than a traditional brush ever would. You can really see it lifting everything off the grates instead of just pushing it around. It also comes with 2 different brush heads. One is stainless steel for the grill grates and heavier cleaning, and the other is a scouring pad style that works well for lighter cleaning or even other surfaces. Another thing I really appreciate is the safety design. The replaceable brush heads have a no-bristle shedding design, which has passed the CSA safety test report. So you don't have to worry about loose bristles ending up on the grill, which is the most important thing in my book. Another great feature is the built-in LED light that helps more than I expected it to, especially if you're cleaning later in the evening after dinner, because you can clearly see where the buildup still is. I love that it's cordless and rechargeable, and the battery life display is helpful too, so you're not guessing how much charge is left mid-clean. After using it, the grill looks a lot cleaner without nearly as much effort or scrubbing. If you grill often and you want something that makes cleanup quicker and easier, this is definitely worth checking out.